Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, one love. Hear the children crying, one heart, saying give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind, just save his soul, believe. One love. What about a one heart? What about a let's get together and feel alright? As it was in the beginning, one love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will be. Get together and feel alright. One more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love. So when the man comes, there will be no